Jury selection begins in the murder trial of Hunter Grissom. His ex-wife Tracey is accused of gunning him down at the Binion Creek boat landing on Lake Tuscaloosa back in 2012. WVUA's Chelsea Barton has been following the case, and she joins us now with the very latest. Chelsea?
Tamika, Tracey Grissom appeared calm and collected today as the selection for a fair and impartial jury in her trial began.
The jury selection process began this morning with 100+ possible jurors. The group was narrowed down through an extensive series of questions presented by both the prosecution and defense in this case. The Alabama Attorney General's office is serving as the prosecution after being asked by the Tuscaloosa District Attorney's office, who was prosecuting Mr. Grissom on charges of raping and assaulting Tracey Grissom back in 2010. Jurors who identified with questions asked today were instructed to remain in court for further individual questioning, while the others were released on recess just before 4 p.m. Defense attorney Warren Freeman is claiming his client still suffers from post-traumatic stress disorder due to abuse from Hunter Grissom. When WVUA sat down with Mr. Freeman shortly after the murder in 2012, he said, quote, "This thing didn't begin on May 15th. And it won't end even when the jury comes back with a verdict in this case. She's scared for her life by what she's been through." The prosecution says they have reason to believe a $103,000 life insurance policy was plenty motive for Tracey to kill her ex-husband.
60 potential jurors will report to the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse tomorrow morning when court reconvenes at 9:30. Judge John England is presiding over the trial and says the jury will be seated tomorrow. For WVUA News, I'm Chelsea Barton.
Thanks, Chelsea.